Opendoor has been the focus of a frenzied 2025 meme stock rally, with its shares soaring nearly 200% in a month on massive trading volumes. The company's stock has been driven by retail investors, fueled by high short interest and activist Eric Jackson's audacious $82 stock call, drawing parallels to Carvana's legendary turnaround. However, beyond the speculative mania lies a deeply polarizing investment case. Bears argue that Opendoor's iBuyer model, built on flipping homes at scale using thin margin, algorithm-driven offers, has been crippled by today's hostile macro backdrop of 7% mortgage rates, a frozen housing market, rising inventory financing costs, and forecasts of home price declines. Revenues have collapsed from $15.5 billion in 2022 to $5.2 billion in 2024, with steep losses and heavy leverage compounding concerns, reinforced by insider selling. Despite these challenges, a contrarian thesis suggests that Opendoor has emerged from the iBuyer shakeout as the sole scaled player in 50 markets, benefiting from competitive barriers erected by the downturn itself. Operational discipline is evident, with contribution margins turning positive even in a brutal environment. The company's true moat lies in its proprietary data and algorithms, refined through 274,000 transactions and enhanced by new tools like the Key Agent app, assets that the market effectively assigns zero value. Jackson's activist campaign, pushing for leadership change and strategic clarity, could catalyze a re-rating, with the meme-driven rally itself enabling capital raises through at-the-market share offerings, fortifying the balance sheet. Opendoor remains a high-risk, asymmetric bet. The downside is significant, but successful execution could yield extraordinary upside as the housing cycle turns. The company's stock has appreciated about 168% since a bullish thesis was covered in May 2025, highlighting its disciplined pivot to profitability, agent partnerships, and strong liquidity amid a tough housing market. The rally that started on Friday's jobs report continued, with investors hopeful that mortgage rates will fall, giving a boost to Opendoor. The company will report second quarter earnings tomorrow afternoon, with analysts expecting flat revenue at $1.5 billion, and for the company's adjusted loss per share to narrow from 4 cents to 2 cents. Investors will want to pay attention to any commentary from management around lower mortgage rates and its impact on the company's business. The company's business model, which relies on flipping houses and collecting service fees, has been scrutinized, and it is unclear if it can be consistently profitable. However, the company's operational discipline and strategic partnerships position it for potential success as the housing cycle turns. Overall, Opendoor stock remains highly volatile, and its future performance will depend on factors like the housing market, interest rates, and the company's ability to execute its business plan. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.